Hey guys, today we're unboxing 3 new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases from Apple. We'll also try it with the new MagSafe Charger. And when the iPhone 12 that everyone's been waiting for arrives, we'll be able to see how it all works together, as well as in real life B-roll shots. Subscribe with the bell icon so you don't miss that, and give us a like if this helps. Let's unbox. First up is the clear case. It's now $49 instead of $39 at Apple, and works for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Alright, the first thing I've seen change is that it's finally in a box. There's so much more packaging for the silicone cases. It no longer blends into the toy aisle at Target. I think I pull it up like this. Someone's good with paper. The new pull tabs make it so much easier than any case packaging before. Now it's a lot like the Apple Watch Band packaging we love. As expected, there's no Apple sticker because it's an accessory. The case material is just as nice as before, though I hope my next future iPhone doesn't scratch the inside like my last clear case easily did. I'm not sure I like the MagSafe circle there. It's so bold and they probably couldn't find any other option. I did choose the white iPhone to help it blend together, but until then, I'll be hashtagging crop circle on Instagram. Let's make a trend. Looks like the clear case is the only one that doesn't protect the bottom. You'll see later that the silicone cases cover it. For now, let's see how it looks like with my 11 Pro. This gives us an idea until the phone gets here. It looks like the phone's going to be slightly taller and a little wider, but more on the taller side. Looks like the buttons are in the same spot, not any higher or lower. The MagSafe charger holds on pretty well. I'm excited to never worry about my phone missing the wireless charging spot. You know, sometimes that feels like pure sabotage. Same kind of packaging for silicone cases. More bang for your buck. Also bumped up to $49 and works for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Kind of looks frosted. It's a nice touch. All right, let's see. I think we just pull it out. That's interesting. So the old instructions say to go head first and then press it in, but now it's side first and put it in. I like how it feels more sturdy than before, and the liquid silicone is that familiar smooth texture we love. Buttons in the Apple logo are a shade off to distinguish it. Both black and white are neutral colors, so you already know it'll match everything you wear. So glad we don't have a crop circle. Silicone is less sci-fi and more minimal. The black's like that black we got in the new Solar Loop, and white is pure white as usual. Just having silicone cases, I could tell that these will also be dust magnets, but I guess that comes with the material. The MagSafe charger holds on pretty well. That's it for now. I can't wait to give these a test. I'm sure you're eager to get your new iPhone too. I'd like to know your first impressions with the cases in the comments below. If you need to buy these, I have Amazon links in the description. Hopefully this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.